Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SketchUp for Beginners. In this video, we will learn how to move, copy and rotate an object in SketchUp. Let's start the video. First, let's make any object. Now select an object and press Ctrl to copy it. Then click on any vertex and drag an object to an axis. You want to copy the object and enter the required distance. After copying the object, enter x times the number you want to copy it. Now you can see the object is copied. After Move and Copy command, we will learn how to rotate and copy an object at an angle. In order to rotate and copy an object, select the object, press Q plus Ctrl. Now click on any two vertex of any specific axis and enter the angle on which you want to rotate an object. After rotating the object, enter x times the number you want to rotate an object. Now you can see the object is being copied at an angle. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends for more amazing content.